Let's discuss this real quick. Right here, 50, 20, 20, and right here was 10. And now you guys are looking at the exit. If it breaks through that, right?
Yeah.
Or of course, once you broke your trend line, you guys already knew you were in trouble, right? This is why I said draw this trend line. But I want you guys to think about this trade, right? You guys got in, I don't know where it was, way back right here. Can you guys all see this? Every one of these, right? This whole area is where all of you guys made your money. 50, 20, 20, 10. I want you guys to think about that. You guys had a great trade. You guys did a good job. You got in when you were supposed to. You shed where you were supposed to. If you listened today, if you guys were part of that live Apple chat or listening to the discussion that was live inside of here, you made this a correct trade. This stuff will change your life, this kind of trade, because if you did it one time, now you understand, right? So a couple things have happened, especially if it was your first time. Number one, now you know you can trust the system, which is the biggest thing, right? It's the biggest thing. Do I trust it or not? That's number one. Number two, you then held the confidence to actually follow the rules. Now you trust the rules. So we trusted the entry. Now we're starting to trust the 2-minute EWO. Now we're starting to trust why we have the rules in place. Number three, you gained confidence as the trade went on. The reason is because every time you collected, now you already knew that no matter where it came back to, you have made money today. So now where you might not normally have a green day, you have ensured to make sure you had a green day, right? That's another one. You start to add all these things up. And the beauty of this trade today is, especially if it was your first time, now you know next time to do the same thing. Now listen, maybe next time it doesn't work as flawless as this. Maybe you get burned on the first two of the EWO, but then the third one runs. Listen, you must follow the process. You must trade the trades, right? And allow it to run, right? You have to. You have to allow these trades to work. Don't be impatient. Don't start adding your own flavor to it, right? It works. It works.